Hey guys, welcome back to Sam Gates Technical Tinkering. Today we are going to update Kali. So first thing you want to do is open your terminal. And type in etc/apt/sources.list and hit enter. And then we're going to type in sudo apt update and hit enter. And put in your password and hit enter. And let it update. Alright, and of course you're going to need internet for this. Next, we'll type in another command, which is sudo apt full upgrade y. And hit enter. And that's how you hit update. Don't forget to subscribe down below.